people too numb to take the time to look at the gem that's in the sky.
Mita, which is on the northern side of the bay. Beautiful spot. We're gonna be anchoring right in front of the Four Seasons Hotel.
Okay.
Beautiful spot, and we're gonna be sailing on our way back once that the wind builds up. In case we have some on the way there, we're gonna bring the sails out for you guys.
Okay.
Yeah, keep your fingers closed down in order to find
And
some.
would they be humpbacks?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Most of them are humpback whales, but from time to time you get to see maybe an orca or a gray whale. So yeah. Yeah, it's just about keeping your eyes open and yeah.
Welcome to Punta Ramita, northwest end of Banderas Bay, beautiful Banderas Bay.
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
Right here we're gonna chill, drop the hook, get the paddle boards out, swim, play for a little while.
We're getting her down with Jonathan and Justin on the Baja sailing excursion. Leaves out of La Cruz. These guys are fantastic. Loving it.
You're still wet from the night before. It won't be long before the morning comes. The smell of wildflowers, the dance of old trees. I feel the rays, they're here for me, yeah.
There's Jonathan, the head chef.
This is where the magic happens, guys. Chef slash bartender.
Look at that, he's got it all
slash
going.
masseuse slash bodyguard.
We got this, is that turkey or chicken, Jonathan?
Oh, it's chicken, rotisserie chicken.
Oh, it's very good.
Very moist.
Burnt it.
So imagine yourself here on the frickin' bay. What's this bay called again?
Banderas Bay.
Banderas Bay. You got the tunes rocking, you got great food, you got the cerveza and the margaritas. These guys put on a rockin' show. So this is your crew here. These guys are fantastic. You got Jonathan, Justin. Now tell us about the Sunset Cruise, because we were looking at that. What goes on there?
Sunset Cruise is fabulous, actually. We generally go out a couple of miles just out in the middle of the bay. See a whole bunch of whales. The wind generally is up in the afternoon because you get the thermals running through, so wind is always up, which makes a beautiful sail. Fresh ceviche to eat, or chicken sandwich, fresh guacamole, fresh salsa. We run from 4:30 till sunset, which is about 7:30 right now. Fabulous photo ops. Good time, just all around. Most of our clientele is baby boomers, older folk.
Kids would have a great time on the boat, though, with the paddle boards and swimming and stuff.
Kids absolutely love it. Snorkeling, paddle boarding. You know, the parents generally take good care of the kids. If not, we set them straight, so it works out okay. 5-star all across the board.
And I can attest to that. We got the cervezas going, we got the margaritas. You bring your cell phone, you got the Bluetooth to hook up to the big speaker, you're rocking on. Paddleboard, swimming, it's great. These guys run a great show. So we're gonna post their website right here. So check them out.
The ultimate commercial. Check it out. Viva Mexico.
Don't sleep through the test. Don't let it pass you by. Why don't you take the time and look at the open sky?
Just give us a little history on this background of this boat.
Okay, the vessel name is Ocean Light. Built up on Vancouver Island, a little town called Ladysmith. The project started in '87, completed in '89, splashed in '89. All wood, Mostly Douglas fir, but we do have some mahogany, some teak, some yellow cedar, some ash, some oak, so it's really a mutt of different woods. Sailed down to Mexico in 2010 by the previous owners. So it took us near 3 years to bring her back to her original beauty. Every piece of wood has been brought down to bare wood, revarnished or repainted. New sails, new rigging, new running rigging, new standing rig. Many people have come out on their week or 2 week stay and always tell me it's the best day of their whole trip. So it's well worth doing. Manta ray.
Oh yeah,
that's a manta ray.
That's a giant manta ray.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Right next to the boat.
Right?
Yeah, so speaking about the marine life, yeah, we find like humpback whales, giant manta rays of the Pacific. It is great for sport fishing here as well. You got marlins, dorados, of course, jack crevalles, sailfish, like the coolest stuff you could ever find. We got them all in here.
But to really see them up close and personal, you need to be on the boat.
Oh, totally. Yeah,
Right,
such
and then-
as this beauty.
Right, and then you can just kind of see them right off the bow of the boat.
Yeah, which is, in my opinion, the best experience you can get, right?
That's
All right, you got your cheesy host here, the drunken tourist. So Justin brought us out with the motor out to the edge there. We swam, and then he anchored us. We swam, we paddleboarded, had lunch, had a great time. Now he's got us with the sails, taking us back to La Cruz. We got the tunes going, the sunshine blaring on us, and it's just a freaking peaceful, beautiful time.
Oh, there it is, yeah. On a show, eh?
Exactly. Very curious.
Oh, there was 2 in a row, yeah.
Always take the time to be free. Listen what she says when she's your company. I can make you see, I can give you sight. The time's here for you, but it's not your giving right. Don't sleep through the test. Don't let it pass you by. Why don't you take the time and look at the open sky?